Hi. The next topic is nucleotides. Nucleotides is composed of three components: nitrogen base, sugar plus phosphate. Nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate to form nucleotides. Generally, the nucleotides are two types. One is ribonucleotides, the second one is deoxyribonucleotides. Nucleotides, nitrogen base plus sugar plus phosphate to form nucleotide. The nucleotides are two types: ribonucleotides, deoxyribonucleotides. The first one, ribonucleotides. Generally, the ribonucleotide linked with three. One is nitrogen base plus sugar molecule plus phosphate. The phosphate linked at fifth position of pentose sugar. In the same fifth position of pentose sugar. The fifth position of pentose sugar linked with another neighbor of nitrogen base, linked with third prime of pentose molecule to form phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. In these ribonucleotides, deoxyribonucleotides, in presence of sugar molecule, the second position containing oxygen that considered as ribonucleotides, whereas oxygen molecule removed at the second position of the pentose sugar that considered as a deoxyribonucleotides. In this, the first one, ribonucleotides. Generally, the ribonucleotides are present in RNA molecule, whereas deoxyribonucleotides are present in DNA molecule. Next one. What are the ribonucleotides? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil plus ribose plus ribose, same, plus phosphate plus phosphate to form adenylate acid, also called as AMP. Guanylate acid, also called as GMP. Cytodelic acid, CMP. Uracilic acid, UMP. Same. Deoxyribose, plus phosphate along with adenine, guanine, cytosine, but thymine plus deoxyribose plus phosphate plus deoxyribose plus phosphate plus deoxyribose plus phosphate, deoxyadenylic acid, deoxy adenylate acid, deoxy guanylic acid, guanylic acid, deoxy cytidinic acid, cytidinic acid, thymine, deoxy thymidinic acid, thymidinic acid. These are two types of nucleotides. These are present in RNA molecule. These are present in deoxyribonucleotides are present in DNA molecule. What are the linkages of these nucleotides? The first one, the glycosidic bond present in the 1-9. Same, the glycosidic bond in present in 1 and 1. The second one is the phosphodiester bond. Fifth position of pentose sugar linked with third position of the neighbor nucleotide by phosphodiester bond. Generally, it is called as nitrogen base plus phosphate plus sugar. These are considered as AMP, adenosine monophosphate. Same, in presence of guanosine, GMP, CMP, UMP. Okay, whereas the phosphate molecule may be attached with another phosphate to form ADP, adenosine diphosphate. In adding of another phosphate to form ATP, adenosine triphosphate. These are the nucleotides.